So we went to Dollar Tree and found some great STEM activities to get your kids started in that from a young age. So today we prepared 2 Easter baskets, one for younger kids and one for older kids. Dollar Tree has some really cute little Easter baskets, and we don't like to use grass, though they do have it. We use tissue paper because it's less of a mess. Just crumple it up and put it in there. Okay, first STEM activity we have is the play money. This is great for math, teaching your kids how to count, learning denominations of the money and things. This is actually great for older and younger kids. The older kids can learn how to get change, like play store, whatever, and while they're playing, they're actually learning how to add and subtract. Tic-tac-toe is a great logic and problem-solving game for younger kids. And they have this really cute chick one for Easter. They also have lots of books at Dollar Tree. This is a book about things that go, so the kids could learn about wheels. This is technology, engineering, how you put these machines together. And then this little board book is great. Lots of kids love animals, and this book actually engages the reader with questions like which animals have hooves. It tells them where they live. These animals live in the rainforest. Lots of different kinds of flashcards. So this is numbers, Play-Doh, and these like building blocks that fit together. They come in these little bags. They make towers and arches, and it's engineering. Put all these things together in your basket. Don't forget about the candy. There's little dinosaur egg. There's little stuffed animals you can put in there too. And you always need a chocolate bunny. So this is a great basket for your younger preschool age kids. Also have these really cute containers at Dollar Tree that would be great after Easter to put in your kids' room to hold toys. All the STEM activities they're going to get at Easter. So again, we fill it with little tissue paper that you can also get at Dollar Tree. And money, great for kids to learn how to count, add, subtract. They also have these books. There's a whole series of question and answer books. These are great because a kid has a question about a shark or a ray. They can just come skim and find the question they may have, and there's the answer for it. Lots of puzzles at Dollar Tree, great for problem solving. They have these building blocks that are great. You can build a jet ski or just take the pieces and build whatever you want. That's the great thing about these. They're great for engineering. Growing your own crystals. This is something that could get kids really excited to do as they watch the crystals start to form and grow. I thought this was a neat little kit for them to have at Dollar Tree. And again, the Play-Doh. Play-Doh is great at all ages because kids can build models, building structures, all different things, and they have it at Dollar Tree. Your other Easter essentials, your bunny, your chocolate bunny. It's not Easter without a chocolate bunny. Your dinosaur egg, your dinosaur candies, gummy carrots. And there you have it.